This is a quick tutorial to show you how to use Tagxedo. Tagxedo is a great word cloud site that allows you to load your text and then to choose an image to take on the shape of the word cloud. Here is just the sample of the one when you first go to their site. Notice how I'm hovering over the words and it zooms out. Makes it easy for the students to present their work. This is how easy it works. I'm going to start right here with load. The box comes up and I can either put in a URL of a website or I can enter some text. I'm going to bring up a Word document I have on the history of a light bulb research that I've done. I'm going to make a copy of this and I'm going to bring back up my Tagxedo site. Please remember that Tagxedo works better using Internet Explorer. I'm going to paste that text and I'm going to do submit. I'm going to close this out. And now you can see it is updating my word cloud, and now it has picked up all of the words dealing with my research on the history of the light bulb. It has kind of filtered out all of the little bitty words and only picked up like the main important words. The words that are used over and over in your text are the ones that will be larger. Now I could do a couple of things here. I could just click and change up the color of my word cloud, or I can go to theme and I could select a theme color. The ones with the dark background actually have like a dark black background, so you want to be careful if you're choosing to print your word cloud, or you can select them with the white background. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this one. And then you could come over here and choose your font type. There's several for you to pick from, so you could select the font type that you'd like for it to be, and it will update and clear out. The next thing is orientation. For orientation, you can have it going any which way, which is like this, some horizontal, some vertical, and some slant. Or you can have all of your words go horizontal or all vertical, or if you want them to be horizontal and vertical, which is a nice look, I'm going to choose that to show you. And so this is my word cloud. Now, as I move on down, layout means that it'll automatically change some of the orientation look. Or you can do an all spin, which changes up the color, the theme, the font, the orientation, and the layout. The next thing I'm going to do is choose a shape for my word cloud. So I'm going to click on shape, and I could select one of the shapes from the gallery, or there's lots to choose from, or I could actually add an image. And I actually found an image of a light bulb, so I'm going to go and select it. It automatically opened. Notice that the image that I selected is like a good solid black background. I found this using Google Images search, so I'm going to do open. And I'm going to, so you can see right here it looks. Now you do have a couple of little filtering things that you can do, working with the threshold and the blur if you want. I'm going to keep mine just like this, and I'm going to do accept. And again, notice how it's updating. And now my word cloud has picked up the shape of the light bulb. I can hover at any time, makes it easy for students to be at the site and present their information. Again, the words that are bigger are the words that are used most often in the text. So I'm happy with my word cloud and I'm ready to save it. So I'm going to come over here to save. Tagxedo allows you to save as JPEGs or as PNGs. Depending on what you're using your activity for would depend on the size that you want to save your image as. I'm just going to select this JPEG. Choose the location where I want it to be saved. And save. And then you will use this image to attach to your discussion board post. And that's how easy it is to use Tagxedo.